Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers, out here with my King Piers team. This is in Smithville, Missouri, and what we have here is we got some block foundation, we got some stone foundation, a little bit of everything. This new wall here, someone has put in, and they put it in a little too tall. So what we're going to do is what I proposed. The cheapest way to get this main floor level, was to come over here and install some of our footings, 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 foot thick footings with a rebar cage. Pour those, come in with a horizontal beam through here, and we'll come in with some vertical supports to set on our new footings, and we'll raise these joists back up to match that elevation. It should be pretty, I don't know how simple it'll be. You never know what you're going to get into on these projects, but the wood looks good and solid, so we shouldn't have any problems, I don't think. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. I believe we are the nation's best at making homes stable and King Piers strong. 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.